Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine. And you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss plus 2 second year English set questions. And now let's begin with question number 5. It is like this: make notes in outline form on the main ideas of the passage given below. So this is the passage. Newspapers and books, in spite of dire prediction of their imminent demise, जो ଆମର न्यूज़पेपर एंड बुक्स आर बिलीव्ड टू डिमाइज टू डाई वेरी सुन माने आसन तांकर मृत्यु तिरोधान प्राय आसन्न माने निकटवर्ती कंटिन्यू टू थ्राइव उदौची बढ़ी रही ऑफेन कोएक्जिस्टिंग सम रही सहवास कर चलती भित्ति देरी ऑनलाइन वर्सन आम न्यूज मिलूँ गुड अंडरस्टैंड newspaper you can read on paper or on internet. Could understand? So the papers we read on online are the online version of the printed papers. आमको दी प्रकार पेपर मिलছে न्यूज पेपर प्रिंटेड मिलছে ऑनलाइन वर्सन मिलছে गुड अंडरस्टैंड तो ऑनलाइन वर्सन पेपर मध्ये आजिकल मिल गलानी जो प्रिंटेड वर्सन्स आर अबाउट टू डाई और डिमाइज yes where is the cursor yes person while many of their purely electronic competitors प्रतियोगी have come and gone केते आइछन्ति केते जाइछन्ति न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी से आर ओपनिंग आप न्यू चैनल्स नुआ चैनल को फॉर आज टू बी प्रोवाइडेड विथ न्यूज एंड एंटरटेनमेंट आमको खबर देवा को मनोरंजन जोगे टू शॉप एंड इन्वेस्ट बजार सौदा किनिया एवं पैसा खटेवाई एज वेल एज टू कम्युनिकेट जोगाजोग करने भाव विनिमय करने विथ वन एनादर भाव विनिमय करिया दि मॉडर्न रेंज ऑफ मीडिया हेज इमेजरेबली अपरिमित भाव में परिसरता बुद्धि जाइए एक्सपेंडेड विस्तार दि रेंज ऑफ आवर एक्सपीरियंस आमर मध्य अभिज्ञता विस्तार कर टेलीविजन डॉक्यूमेंटर्स कैन टेक एज टू प्लेसेस दैट ओनली द इंटरप्रिट साहस एक्सप्लोर हैव माइट हैव क्रिएटेड ए सेंचुरी एगो से जगह को नहीं जो जगह केवल साहसी लोक मैंने निर्भीक लोक मैंने जापरिए सो दिस इज एक्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम TVW +2 सेकेंड ईयर इंग्लिश TVW टेस्ट पेपर you understand I am doing it from that one so you can approach you can refer that book yes here it is so television documentaries can take as to okay it's done take as to the places that only the interpreted sahasi lokoman explorer might have reached a century ago the tragedies of earthquake दुखांतक घटना earthquake means भूमिकंप occurred recently in North India Pakistan Afghanistan or the twin view or the twin in Kargil are brought to our in this is a small letter in Kargil are brought to our living rooms as they happen जिमिति से घटुଛି सेमिति आमे देखि पारछे sitting at home we can all pump more entertainment into our houses at the flick टिपि देले at the flick tap अंगुठी टिपारे flick आप a button that would not have been able to anybody 100 years ago आगुर नथिला the explosion of information has fueled democratic revolution of knowledge and active citizenship If information is power, power can now be within the graphs hatamotare jabudare am pahunchare of everyone. Through the right to information bill, the Indian government wants to encourage this and give everyone access to all these riches prachurya as quickly as possible. Notes, right? So its heading is title access to Veda Pravesa to knowledge and information. A. Print source and their online version, newspaper, books. Electronic channels for several purposes, उद्देश्य विभिन्न उद्देश्य to provide with news and entertainment, मनोरंजन entertainment. To shop, to invest, to communicate with one another, to expand the range of our experience. Next, television documentary about newly explored places, tragedies and calamities, calamity biparjaya like earthquake and events such as the triumph in Kargil, benefits of information explosion. Bisporona, explosion means Suchana Bisporona. Democratic revolution, Bipleva, of knowledge, active citizenship, power of information to everyone. The right to information bill, it's a goal, right? It's a goal. Next one is to give right to information. It's a goal to encourage everyone. Next, summarize the passage in question number 4 using the notes. That is question number 4 or 5? 5. It's 5, not 4. Question number 5. Okay, question number 5. So, channel of information, newspapers and book still survive banchi rahichi in print, mudritare as well as online version. There are electronic channels to provide with news and entertainment to facilitate shopping, investment, communication. As a result, the range of our experience has expanded. We can know about national and international events such as earthquakes, other tragedies that Kargil war etc. There are electronic channels of entertainment and of information. Sorry, here just entertainment and information. Information of all kinds has brought knowledge and active citizenship democratically to all the people. Now, information is a form of power which all the people can grasp. The Indian government encourages this power through the right to information, that is RTI bill. Here is another one, that is rewrite. What did I say? Rewrite the passage given below after correcting all the errors in it. Few years ago, that is not a few years, a few years. Few means negative, a few means positive. Could you understand? So it should be a few. That is, what did I say? That is a few. A few years ago, I spent no capital letter. This because it is in the beginning of the sentence. A few years ago, I was spending a week. No, Not I was spending, it should be I spent. That is called I spent. Simple past. Spent. S-P-E-N-T. I spent a week at a Port Blair. गोटे सप्ताह में पोर्ट ब्लेयर बीतेइथिली. The week was over. Not had been, just was. Simple past. Was. The week was over and I was in the airport ready for leaving when I discovered to my dismay. I discovered when in my dismay, that is not in my dismay, to my dismay. Instead of in write to my dismay, more आश्चर्य कथा that I forgot one of my that I had forgotten. ମୁଁ ଭୁଲି ଯାଇଥିଲି that I had forgotten had I see had forgotten G-O-T-T-N. This is the T-T-N. हाँ कौन है ला I had नहीं forgotten is the single word. Forgot, forgotten. Could understand? So one of my suitcases माने मोर ऐसे जो बहुवचन माने सुटकेस मानक भीतर गोटे सुटकेस इन माय होटल क्विकली आई जंप्ड इनटू ए टैक्सी टैक्सी वाले कार इनटू इज नॉट करेक्ट क्विकली आई जंप्ड ए टैक्सी एंड explained, not had explained, just a simple past. Explained my situation to the taxi driver. We sped we sped up माने sped away नहीं sped up पळे धाई पळेल नहीं आमे गतिरा बढ़ाई देलु up means बढ़ेवा अर्थ रहबो so we sped up in the direction of my hotel. Suddenly the taxi driver slowed down so that he could talk. Could. C-O-U-L-D. Could talk with the driver of the truck moving along the road. That is not through. No, it is along the road. Along the road. Along the road. That is not along the road. Along the road. Next to ours. That is not ours. Amar road upper butter. That is not ours. Ours. O-U-R-S ours. Right? The dog contained live chickens. The truck. I said it. The truck contained live chickens. Contained live chickens. Say the truck कौन थिला? कौन नौतले chicken नौतले. With this that is end of +2 second year. Probable question sets. We shall discuss the other sets in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.